shit. Junk ass car. Just junk this thing already. And here I am fucking still wasting my damn time on it. Oh, okay. Man, look at that damage. The rails are straight. This one has a little curve to it too. It just looks worse than what it is. But I mean, it's pretty bad. Yeah, I got hit. Rip. I mean, it's straight. Pretty straight. It's just, can't believe that shit. Ready to go in. Just gotta lift it up from the chain right there. Attach the subframe. Cause I put the subframe on first. I put that on BMWs. It's easier to do it that way. Drop it from the bottom. Pull it out like this and put it back in, and then pull it up. Take the hood off. It gives you space, but yeah, whew, moving this shit is heavy. But it's almost there. Bitch is in. Let's just gotta finish it up. Suspension stuff, all that good stuff. It's dark. I got it in, bitch. I didn't film it, but I had to lower these motor mounts low key. I mean, I had to loosen up the motor mounts. This one right there, and this one right here, so that I can install these bearings. I mean, these bushings. The lower control arm bushing, the L cabs, and I had to line them up into these holes back here. See those two right there? They wouldn't line up when I had the subframe tightened up completely, because these things are solid, so there's no give to them. And they weren't lining up, and so instead of, like, you know, forcing these in and damaging the threads and causing myself more headache, I just loosened up the subframe a bit. See this one? I can't see it, but right there. I dropped down the subframe a little bit, just so that I can get that clearance and that little extra space, those little extra, like, few millimeters that I needed to install these on correctly. Hell yeah. Slowly but surely gonna resurrect this motherfucker. So I have this tool up here too, holding the engine so it doesn't kill me. That thing's actually pretty good. I've had it for like almost 2 years from Harbor Freight, and man, it comes in handy. Hey, you're not down, fool. Oh. Yee. It's back on the ground. Yeah. With the exhaust and everything back in attached. Look at that hole. Yes. Bruh. Ready to go. Next is just the wiring. Just gotta do all the wiring, and then yeah, that's it. Turn this bitch back on. Turn this motherfucking car on and get to bowling. Saturday night, bitch. It's getting there. It's just putting on little things. These pulleys. And I put these coolant pipes. The starter. This motherfucking, these cables. Just gonna throw stuff together. This pipe goes there. Shitty camera. This goes here. This goes over her. This pipe goes down to the expansion tank. And that hose, not a pipe. These are pipes. That's a hose. Yeah, it's not. This car's really not that complicated. I'll throw these together. Throw these on. Yeah. Fuego. Cheap ass fucking bullshit. Yeah, I mean, it's pretty much almost there. Look at that fat bitch right there. Hey! What are you doing? Hey, bitch. Look at this fat bitch. Damn. That's a fatty. Look at that fat motherfucker. Later, bruh. Later, bruh. Got this bitch all back together. Let's go. Let's go. Pussy. Put all this shit together. Get this motherfucker done. Watch. Tonight you'll see this front end back on. I took it apart again so I can tighten up this fucking bolt that I kind of messed up, but whatever. It's alright. It works. And I'm gonna throw the intake on and put it back together real quick. Gonna be dope. Yeah, I put this thing good together already. Check it out. Check it out. Check it out, fool. Yup. I was gonna install a broken ass fan right there, but it works. It's just the mount. Well, this car has been through so much. Check it out. I put the engine in and shit. Plugged up everything. Just ready. See if I can get this shit turned on today. Picked up oil and coolant, and yeah, should be alright. But we'll see. We'll see. Because before I took it apart, it would turn on, so. Yeah, like I forgot to show you that this shit's all done. I'm about to take it apart because I need to get the starter off. That shit's blown out. But it's pretty much done. It's not a she. It's a fucking car, bruh. I don't know how guys call this shit she's. That shit makes me cringe. It's a fucking car. Here's the project. Yes, it's standard. I have all this stuff right here. It's on the floor. Just gotta put it on. Watch. It doesn't turn on because I believe the starter's blowing out. See, you heard that? Ouch. Yup. Yeah, after a year, finally got this thing running again. No overheating issues, nothing. Let's check engine light, but fuck them. This shit runs solid. I'm gonna take it on the freeway right now, low key. Just gonna put the hood on. Yeah, went shopping. I remember this. We were all up here. There was the whole area too. That's what this reminds me of. And in this car, I believe, as well. We were cruising in this whip a lot. All four of us. Yeah, but it's been beat up right now. Like my life. Kind of beat up. Cool. cool.